Good morning, children. Last session I completed if else if else. Now in this class, two more syntaxes I will complete. Those are from iterations. One is for loop syntax, and one more is while loop syntax. One is for loop, and one more is a while loop syntax. In this session, I will complete those two syntaxes. So first one for loop, note down. You know all of you why we are using for loop. If we know the number of iterations, then we are using for loop. You know all of you. If we know the number of iterations, if you know the number of iterations, we are using for loop. Now example see syntax see. For initialization, condition, increment or decrement. If the condition is true, it will enter into the block and it will execute the statements. So this is the syntax for loop. Write the syntax of for loop means for initialization. You initialize with any value. I is equal to 0, I is equal to 2, I is equal to 3, anything, semicolon. And then condition, either greater than 0, less than 0, greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 0, anything. Either it is increment or decrement. Then after for loop, if the condition is true, it will enter into the block, then it will execute this particular block. If the condition is true, it will enter, then it will execute this particular block. For loop is entry control loop. Why it is entry control means first before only it is going to check the condition. If the condition is false, it will not enter into the block. That's why it is a entry control loop. For loop is also called as entry control loop. Before we are using for loop, we have to aware of the number of iterations. If we know the number of iterations, then only we are using for loop. Now one example on for loop, I will show in BlueJ software. See, for loop example. Okay, I want to print 1 to 10 numbers. That means 10 iterations. I know before only iterations. So the example for loop, public class for loop example, main method, open main, int a for loop. A is equal to 1. If you want to print from 1 to 10, then initialize with 1. Less than or equal to 10. A plus plus. System dot out dot println. A. Close for loop, close main, close class, compile. No syntax errors. You are initializing with 1 because you want to print from 1 to 10. This is an initialization. In for loop, this is an initialization, semicolon. Condition, a less than or equal to 10 or greater than or equal to 10, anything. This is an increment. Either increment or decrement you have to use. If the given condition is true, it will enter into the block and it will execute this particular statement. So compile, output is what? 1 to 10 you will get vertically. See the output, 1 to 10. Output is 1 to 10. Clear the options. If you want to print horizontally, they are using here print. You know the difference between system.out.print and system.out.println. See, 1 to 10. Now one more see. If you are using from initialization 0, then 0 to 10. Output is 0 to 10. One more example, see, on for loop. If you are using F capital letter, then immediately it will display error, because for is a keyword in Java, so you have to use lowercase letters only. So this is an example for loop syntax. In this way, you have to write the syntax for loop for initialization, condition, increment or decrement, then statement. This is a for loop. If it is also called as an entry control loop. If the given condition is true, then only it will enter into the block. For example, condition is false. A greater than or equal to 10, 0 greater than 10, false. It will not enter into the block. See, no syntax errors. What is the output? You will not get anything. No output. See, no output. So for loop is an entry control loop. If the given condition is true, then only it will enter into the block. So this is the syntax for loop. One example. Now the syntax for while loop also will complete in this session. Note down. See the while loop. While loop. You know, we are using while loop when we don't know the number of iterations. When we are using while loop, when we don't know the number of iterations, we are using while loop. When we don't know the number of iterations, then we are using while loop. Now syntax, see, it is also an entry control loop. If the given condition is true, then only it will enter into the block. While condition, at the end no semicolon. While all lowercase letters. If the given condition is true, it will enter into the block. Similarity between while loop and for loop. For loop also entry control loop. While loop also entry control loop. Both condition true, then only it will enter into the block. Condition is false, they will not enter into the block. Difference is what? For loop and while loop. For loop is when we know the number of iterations, whereas while loop, when we don't know the number of iterations, we are using while loop. Now I'll use one example in your BlueJ. See the example for while loop, same 1 to 10 numbers. While example, while loop example, see, public class while example, main method. So this is also one short answer question for you. Write the syntax of for loop and give example. Int a is equal to 1, while a less than or equal to 10. Condition system.out.println a is increment or decrement? Increment. Close while, close main, close class. Compile. Output 1 to 10 numbers, horizontal element. System.out.print. See 1 to 10. So these are the two syntaxes for you in this session. Next class, remaining syntaxes will continue. Thank you.